Hey guys, welcome to my channel Drone in Nature. I'm gonna go out to fly a little bit today. The weather is really beautiful, some snow and it's really cold. I'm gonna test a new update. It was some update on the focus track. I'm gonna put it up on the screen and we're gonna just test it and see what it is. I also downloaded the latest Fly app. It wasn't available at the Google store, but I updated on the homepage to DJI. There she got me. But let's see. Let's go. She's following me. Just walking around. It's quite a bit of snow, so it's coming. Let's go this way. She's coming. Go up there. Oh. Let's go this way. Let's see if she's tracking me. She's still on. That's good. And here is pretty tight. Good. This is in 1080, 60 frames. Let's go this way. Yeah, she lost me because of the sun maybe. Let's go. Yeah, that's it. She get the sun straight on her. Looks pretty good. Looks really good. So the focus track is really good. Let's stop her. Stop the call.